subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
OnePlus has finally launched its new flagship smartphone globally called OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro alongside the OnePlus 9R in India. All these three devices looks quite identical but are different in terms of specifications. And among these three, the OnePlus 9R is the most affordable phone under this series with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the OnePlus 9R supports a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus Fluid AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. The smartphone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset, paired with Adreno 650 GPU. In terms of storage, the phone packs with 8 or 12GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the OnePlus 9R features a quad camera setup on the rear and a rectangular module at the top left corner, including dual LED flash. The quad-rear camera includes a 48MP main camera with Sony IMX586 sensor plus 16MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 123° field of view plus 5MP macro and 2MP monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and it also has optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has an 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with Sony IMX471 sensor. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on Oxygen OS 11 skin on top. The device comes backed by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 65 watts wrap charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161 by 74.1 by 8.4mm and it weighs around 189 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The OnePlus 9R has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 39,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 43,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from April 14th in carbon black and lake blue color options. So what do you guys think of this OnePlus 9R smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.